Hi, good evening. This video is focused on creating editing products like which we have shot with a normal iPhone. So these are the products, and we will be using Canva for making these products ready for being sold on Amazon as well as for the customer's website. So the first step is that I'll pick up one particular product. Let's say I'll pick up this particular product, Alchemic UTI, and then proceed with making it ready for the website as well as for Amazon. So just make sure that the size that you choose is a square size, because that's what our website support. So I'll go with a 1000 by 1000 width and height. And so that I have a blank screen, and my first step is going to be uploading the image files for this particular product, which I've already saved in a folder, which is Rezo Pure and new shoot. And the first product is, I think, this one. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, so these 5 images are of one product which I'm going to import to my Canva. There you can see them getting uploaded on Canva. And the first image that I will edit is going to be of the front look of the product, which is this one. So I'll just drag this product here, and as you see, it's been shot on a white background using a normal A4 size print sheet. So my first objective is to remove all the edges of the screen which are coming outside the camera. Like, I've just cropped it, and now I have to make sure that this goes all the way across the product. So this is the natural look, actual picture of the product with all the shadows and everything showing. And one thing that I can do to make it further to remove all these shadows and everything is select the image, go to edit photo, and then click on remove background. So this remove background tool of Canva is pretty easy to use, and as far as my experience, it gives pretty neat results. Like, it has taken out the background quite neatly, and I have a specific image. However, there are certain drawbacks, like I cannot change the aspect ratio or skew the image, but still it suffices my purpose for a quick creation of an image for a product. See, the speed of how quickly you are able to do your editing is also a key factor in the industry today, so I'm keeping that in mind, and that's why I'm using Canva. So this is what I have now. To make it look natural, what I have to do is I have to add shadows at the base of the product, which will give it a look as if it has not been just cropped out and cut and paste. So in the elements, I look for an element called black blur. So where I black blur, this is something I get. So I just put it here and change its position to backward. So it gives me something like this. So but still it is giving me a feeling that it is too away from the product. So I'll just put it like this. There are multiple ways of making it look natural. Like, this is one way, when you show a shadow coming on the right hand side, and one way is to keep the shadow in the center, and you can reduce the intensity of the shadow by this, so it looks a bit natural. So that's one way of doing it. You can try multiple types of shadows for achieving your results. So even sometimes this kind of a shadow works pretty well. in which you have a sideways going shadow, right? So you can just play around with this to get the best optimum result that you want. So for now I'll just go with a normal shadow. So this is how my product is being made ready. Another version of this product will be to place this product on a base. So there are multiple bases of product shoots available in the photo section. So in the go to photo section, search for product base. So it will give you a lot of bases like these, you know. So you need to pick one base. For example, let's say if I pick a base in which the product needs to be on the right hand side or something like that, I'll just put it here. One sec. Yeah, I'll just get it in the center, and then I'll put it backward, and now I can reduce the size of my product and put the product here, and again my shadow has gone somewhere. Anyways, I'll just pick up another shadow. Shadow is not a problem, and position to backward, and this is what I get. So these are some easy ways of making your product look ready for the website. Sometimes I also use the same shadow twice. And that's how it goes. Yeah. So this is completely looking pretty neat as per me. This is like ready to go. So I have two options now. One completely white for Amazon. Second one with a base. And now this base one I'll keep repeating for the rest of my products. I just have to delete the product. Rather, let's not delete, just to maintain that I have the same size. For the back view, again for the back view, I will first remove the background, and once the background is removed, I'll reduce the empty image from the product by simply moving the handles. Now I have an independent product. Now just to match that, we have the same size. I'll keep it here and match. And now I'm ready to remove my old product and replace it with this new one. And here I have a naturally placed product on the exactly same canvas background. You can play around with multiple types of canvases in terms of background base where you are keeping your picture. For example, you have a lot of choice out here, so don't hesitate to try different types of base materials where your product is being kept. There are a lot of choices. Let's go for this one. So this one, it's like too much in the center, so might not work for me. Okay. I think this one can also work good for us. Yeah. All right. So this way you can choose multiple options, but of course being with one single brand, so you have to make sure that you use the same background for all the products. I'm showing this to you just to explain how different backgrounds can be easily used, and of course for any more information you can get in touch with me.